В этом уроке разбираем английское слово raise. Оно может означать поднять, повысить, собрать деньги, вырастить ребенка или животное и затронуть вопрос. Слово пришло из древнескандинавского риса и исторически связано с rise – подниматься. Разница важна. Rise описывает движение вверх, а rise означает заставить кого-то или что-то подняться. Внутренний образ rise – переместить объект выше или перевести ситуацию на новый уровень. Можно поднять руку, цену или настроение. Деньги поднимают от нуля к нужной сумме, вопрос выводят на уровень общего внимания, а ребенка постепенно поднимают к самостоятельной жизни. Теперь переходим к примерам. Постарайтесь довести понимание каждого употребления до автоматизма и почувствовать внутренний образ слова. Начинаем урок.
Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar. Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar. Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar.
Подними руку, если ритм кажется знакомым.
Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar. Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar. Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar. Raise your hand if the rhythm feels familiar.
They raised the flag above the library. They raised the flag above the library. They raised the flag above the library.
Они подняли флаг над библиотекой.
They raised the flag above the library. They raised the flag above the library. They raised the flag above the library. They raised the flag above the library.
The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce. The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce. The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce.
Пекарня повысила цены после подорожания какао.
The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce. The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce. The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce. The bakery raised prices after cocoa became scarce.
We raised enough money for new instruments. We raised enough money for new instruments. We raised enough money for new instruments.
Мы собрали достаточно денег на новые инструменты.
We raised enough money for new instruments. We raised enough money for new instruments. We raised enough money for new instruments. We raised enough money for new instruments.
Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs. Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs. Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs.
Ее бабушка с дедушкой вырастили 6 любопытных спасенных собак.
Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs. Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs. Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs. Her grandparents raised 6 curious rescue dogs.
Could you raise the window before guests arrive? Could you raise the window before guests arrive? Could you raise the window before guests arrive?
Можешь поднять окно до прихода гостей?
Could you raise the window before guests arrive? Could you raise the window before guests arrive? Could you raise the window before guests arrive? Could you raise the window before guests arrive?
His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter. His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter. His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter.
Его яркая роспись подняла всем настроение после зимы.
His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter. His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter. His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter. His bright mural raised everyone's spirits after winter.
The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety. The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety. The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety.
Этот вопрос вызвал опасения за безопасность моста.
The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety. The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety. The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety. The question raised concerns about the bridge's safety.
The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast. The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast. The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast.
Пекарь медленно поднял тесто на натуральной закваске.
The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast. The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast. The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast. The baker raised the dough slowly with natural yeast. The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts. The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts. The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts.
Фонд надеется повысить осведомленность с помощью уличных концертов.
The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts. The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts. The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts. The charity hopes to raise awareness through street concerts.
Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise. Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise. Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise.
Пожалуйста, говори громче шума фонтана.
Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise. Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise. Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise. Please raise your voice above the fountain's noise.
The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon. The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon. The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon.
Телескоп породил новые вопросы об этой далекой Луне.
The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon. The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon. The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon. The telescope raised new questions about that distant moon.
Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners. Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners. Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners.
Наш тренер поднял планку, не обескураживая новичков.
Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners. Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners. Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners. Our coach raised the bar without discouraging beginners.
She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed. She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed. She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed.
Она подняла бровь, когда робот поклонился.
She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed. She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed. She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed. She raised an eyebrow when the robot bowed.
The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops. The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops. The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops.
Музей увеличил посещаемость благодаря вечерним мастерским.
The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops. The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops. The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops. The museum raised its attendance with evening workshops.
They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse. They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse. They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse.
Они с удовольствием разводили кур за восстановленным фермерским домом.
They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse. They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse. They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse. They happily raised chickens behind the restored farmhouse.
The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor. The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor. The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor.
Шторм поднял волны вдоль защищенной гавани.
The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor. The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor. The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor. The storm raised waves along the sheltered harbor.
His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues. His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues. His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues.
Повышение поставило его выше нескольких опытных коллег.
His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues. His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues. His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues. His promotion raised him above several experienced colleagues.
Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video. Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video. Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video.
Ничто так не вызывает улыбку, как видео с неуклюжим пингвином.
Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video. Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video. Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video. Nothing raises a smile like that clumsy penguin video.
Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting? Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting? Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting?
Кто поднял этот вопрос на вчерашней встрече?
Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting? Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting? Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting? Who raised the issue during yesterday's planning meeting?
The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect. The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect. The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect.
Новый мост вселил надежду на воссоединение двух районов.
The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect. The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect. The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect. The new footbridge raised hopes that both neighborhoods would reconnect.
Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change. Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change. Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change.
Ученые постепенно повышали температуру, записывая каждое видимое изменение.
Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change. Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change. Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change. Scientists raised the temperature gradually while recording every visible change.
Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city. Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city. Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city.
Ее вдумчивый обзор повысил известность ресторана во всем городе.
Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city. Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city. Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city. Her thoughtful review raised the restaurant's profile across the city. If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger. If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger. If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger.
Если мы повысим ожидания, вся команда сможет стать сильнее.
If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger. If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger. If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger. If we raise our expectations, the entire team may grow stronger.
The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden. The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden. The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden.
Владелец не возразил, когда жильцы предложили общий сад.
The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden. The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden. The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden. The landlord raised no objection when residents proposed a shared garden.